Good afternoon, everyone. You all had a great lunch, I suppose. On behalf of Center for Informal Sector and Labor Studies, JNU, I warmly welcome all of you to today's discussion titled as Laboring Women in 21st Century Towards Equality, Exploring New Frontiers of Work, Care and Capital. This program is organized in collaboration with Indian School of Women's Studies and Development. Indian School of Women's Studies and Development is a research organization linked to ADWA, All India Democratic Women's Association, the largest women's organization in the country. It is a registered society which promotes research supporting movements for women's rights, equality, and democracy. Since the mid-1990s, the ISWST has undertaken many studies on women's issues including employment, labor, minority women's rights, anti-dowry laws, etc. It supports activist research and encourages the participation of young researchers working on the women's issues. The title Towards Equality takes us back to the historic 1974 Committee on the Status of Women in India report. The report emphasized women's increasingly distressing conditions in health, employment, societal status, and political participation. Bringing these issues to the forefront, its finding also pushed institutions like ICSSR to support more research on women's issues, which became a turning point in the growth of women's studies in India. More than 5 decades later, its insights remain profoundly relevant as we confront new, intensified form of gendered precarity in global value systems, platform economies, and neoliberal labor regimes. Our discussion today extends this legacy, interrogating how women navigate, negotiate, and resist contemporary worlds of work. We are honored to have 3 excellent speakers with us. They are JNU students. Our first speaker is Dr. Ruchira Sen, Associate Professor at OP Jindal University. She works on the care economy, social reproduction, and how women's time and labor are shaped by global value networks. Some of her important writings include work on self-care, dowry as a gift economy, and the politics of paid and unpaid work. Today, she will enlighten us on the topic of production and reproduction in global care networks. Our second speaker is Dr. Gayatri Nair, Assistant Professor at IIIT Delhi. She studies informal labor, caste and gender, and the platform economy. She is the author of the book Set Adrift, which explores coastal communities and changing livelihoods in Mumbai. Her talk today is titled as Gender in the Platform Economy, Questions of Labor, Control and Resistance. Our third speaker is Dr. S. Kriti, Associate Professor at OP Jindal University. Her research spans environmental economics as well as women's work and the neoliberal state. She studies issues of debt, natural resource governance, and how economic policies affect women's workers. She'll speak on lives of debt, women's work, and the neoliberal state. Professor Kriti, along with Professor Archana Prasad, has also surveyed 9,000 women in 100 districts of India regarding the microfinance loot and surveyed women. We are also joined by my senior and our discussant Anjana Didi, PhD scholar at CISLS, and our moderator Professor Archana Prasad at CISLS JNU. Thank you once again for being here. I now hand over the speech to ma'am.